Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the trending split cutout transition for Reels using CapCut Mobile. It's stylish, smooth, and super easy once you know these steps. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then create new projects, and then just import two video clips that you want to use for these transitions like this. And then next, just add your music. This is important because the beats will guide every split letters. And once the audio is added, just add the beat marker or just place markers manually by tapping on the add beats, this one. And then next, now take your first clips and trim it so it ends exactly at the last beat marker like this. And then next, just select the second clips and on the very first frame, just freeze it like this, and then just make this frozen frame into the overlay above the first clip like this. And then just place the start of this overlay exactly on the first bit like this. And then next, just go to max and then choose mirror, and then just drag the max so that only the top portions of the image is visible. This creates the first split segment. For example, like this. And then next, just duplicate this overlay. And then just move the duplicate version so its starting point aligns with the second bit like this. Like this, and then adjust the mask by sliding it downward, continuing the next part of the split puzzle. And then next, just repeat this process to all clips, to all the bits. Just keep repeating until you reach the last bit. Okay, like this. And then next, just add animation. Just add animations to the all overlay clips. Choose in and then just search for unfold. This one. Like this, and then just do this to the all overlay clips. And then now just go back to the first clip and then apply the animations in, and then just search for brush light in. This one, just tap on it, and then just set the durations to around 2.7 like this. And then just go to second clip, and then add effect, search for throbbing. This one, just tap on it and adjust the speed and size as you like. For example, like this. And okay, that's it. Your video will look like this. Okay, like this. This effect will look amazing for Reels, TikTok, and fast edit. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.